Bro, like, sometimes I don't understand. Hey, Jinxie. Don't know if you like to fish or not, but my cousin Tony and I wanted to send you a little gift to help you catch something big. We love your streams, and we're sending hate from Omaha. Sending hate from Omaha. Okay. Fishing lures. Dude, this guy sent a fishing lure. That's quite nice, isn't it? I do not fish, but my brother and cousin fish, and they would love that. You know what? Fuck it, I'll fish. Next fan mail today. It's like a sticker? And he sent clothes. Let's see. I am not a cum slut.